I want to welcome you back to another video, and if it's your first time here, my name is Young Fizz. I go by Mr. Dope Status on Instagram. You can follow me there. I make helpful machine tutorials as well as other audio-related content. But today we're going to be diving right into the Maschine. I just want to share with you some basic navigation controls around the Maschine Plus. So if you haven't already, do me a favor, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification. So whenever I drop a new video, you will be the first person to be notified. So let's go ahead and dive right into it. So first things first, when you dive directly into the Maschine, you're gonna have a blank slate here. So again, if you need to create something like a brand new session, you can just do new after hitting file, of course, hit new. I'm gonna discard this for now. And we're gonna have, again, a blank slate. So let's say, for example, we want to add a sound to manipulate. There's two different modules that you can use. You can use either the audio module or you can use the sampler module. So let's go ahead and just enter in one of them here. And what I want to do is go to internal. Again, we have the audio and then we have the sampler. Let's add the audio for now. So let's just say, for example, we want to add some type of loop and we want to manipulate a loop. I highly recommend using the audio module. And the reason why I recommend the audio module, this method is faster and it's easier to stretch. Now, let's say, for example, we want to get rid of this here, or we want to overwrite this audio plugin to a sampler module. We just hit the 4D encoder and we can go down to sampler. We can also change it here as well. I kind of use them interchangeably, but for now, we'll just do this here, hit sampler, and then we have our sampler here. We can use our controls with the arrows to kind of cycle over and see the different parameters on the other tabs here. Now, let's say, for example, we want to add some sort of effect after the sound that we have here. So to do that, what we want to do is go over where it says sampler. We hit that arrow over, and that's going to go to an empty slot. Now what we can do is hit the 4D encoder again, and we can search for a sound. Again, under format, this is all internal, but if we want to use one of our external sounds, we can do so as well by switching the format to VST3. And we have our vendor here. I have it set for Native Instruments, but we have other companies as well. We have Sound Toys, we have Waves. So we have all these different vendors here. But for now, I'm gonna leave it on Native Instruments, and we can load something such as a byte. We just hit load. And then a cool tip here is, let's just say, for example, we want to keep this up on the screen at all times. We can pin it here. And then, so say, for example, I want to switch to another sound or a group. I just go over here and it's still there. Now, if I unpin this, just go ahead and unpin it, and I switch over to group A and I switch to B, it's going to disappear. So again, if you want to pin something to the screen and make it stay on the screen at all times, you want to make sure this pin is selected here. And so we can switch freely no matter what we do. We're always going to be able to see the byte on the screen. So now if I want to keep byte, or if I want to remove it, what I can do is I could either, click the 4D encoder here and change it out with something else. So let's go ahead and do that here. And then notice that how that one didn't appear on the screen, but that's okay. We just hold down shift and then we can do edit, and then there it is on the screen there. So really cool stuff once you start to learn how to use the Maschine. I'm gonna be doing some more videos and might even throw in some shorts for you, but I just want to kind of show you some of the basic controls for navigation with the Maschine Plus, and just show you how quick it is to, simply load and just unload sounds. I mean, there's so much to it. Even with the browse here, you can come in and browse the different effects. Back over here, you can hit the magnifying glass and, can scroll through the different presets that you have here, right? There's just so much you can do. If you have ideas that you want to lay down, you have the ideas mode, you hold down shift, you can switch between song. And say, for example, if you want to even view the mixer window, you can do shift variation. And then what you would do is hit the mixer button here, and that can switch it on the screen, as you can see there. And then if you need the browser to pop up there, you're able to do the browser, and then we have the follow, and then we have the expanded view as well. So a lot of control that we have with the Maschine here. So I want you guys to think of this as like a big giant remote control, and you're just able to control so much stuff with the Maschine Plus. So again, right now, Native Instruments is having a sale. It's a Summer of Sound sale. So make sure you head down to the link in the description box below and use the code FIZZENT10. And again, I'm gonna post it on the screen. It's FIZZENT 10. You definitely want to use that code and save an additional 10% off on top of whatever discount that you're getting. So if you're already getting 50% off, you're saving another 10% on top of that. So really good deal. It's your boy Young Fizz, Mr. Dope Status on Instagram. Thank you for tuning in, and we will see you on the next video. We are out.